Google search? Well, one of the things to be aware of when you're doing search is some of these search parameters, okay? First thing is that it's always a good idea to use quotes when you really want to find something specific, right? So if you have a search term you want to get found for, like here you see down here, rural internet, by putting the word in quotes, you're basically telling Google to show me sites that have that exact phrase on the page, or somehow in the match. You're saying, I want to look for this particular phrase, okay? And so when you're looking for things online, let me go ahead and open up a page here. Let me bring this over here. There we go. If I were to search for, let me look for here, Tampa Movers. It's a client of mine. I'll put Tampa Movers. So now I'm looking for anything with Tampa and movers in it. But if I put in Tampa Movers like that, a quote, I'm being more specific. I'm telling Google, focus in a bit more on folks that actually have Tampa and movers, either very close together, or that's the exact phrase that they're coming up with. This is actually my client down here at number 3 in the organic here for Tampa Movers. You see it's right there in the title tag, as it is for this one, as it is for this one. So when you're putting in quotes, you're saying, give me something more specific rather than just using open-ended terms. Now, something else I like to use a lot, and I use this a lot in my own business, is using what's called a site colon, okay? So if I am, again, let's go back to my client here, Brothers Easy Moving. If I wanted to get a look at all of the different pages of the Brothers Easy Moving site that are in Google, well, I can just come in here, grab the URL, and I'll put the word site and a colon in front of it. Now, whether you're doing it in the URL bar, I'm doing it go back to Google. If I'm doing it here, it doesn't matter. If I put the word site and a colon, no space, and put in the URL, you can even drop this part here if you want, just like that. Hit enter. Well, now Google's going to show you all of the URLs that are of that website that they have in their index. So if you have like 600 pages of content and you're only seeing 235 results as displayed here, maybe something's wrong. Maybe not all your pages are getting indexed, or vice versa. If you only have 20 pages of your site, but there's 200 pages showing, there might be something wrong the other way. Maybe pages are getting indexed that shouldn't be indexed. Maybe you got hacked and you're getting other stuff. Maybe there's some other things in there that are being found or kind of causing this issue. So this can at least help you understand what Google has on their page in relation, within their index, I should say, as it relates to a particular website. Right? Now, what's nice about this is you can actually use this to find stuff on someone's website. So you can use the site colon along with like a search term, in this case, rural. Let me go ahead and click on that. So here is, I'm looking for site colon bradselectronics.com, but I'm looking for the word rural, right? Let me take this out for a minute, show you without rural, and see there's 287 results. If I put the word rural in though, now I get 30. So basically what I've just told Google with this command is to search this site only within your index for the pages on that site that have the word rural in it. And we have 30 pages that have the word rural in it, okay? If I get a bit more specific, you'll see here I've got rural internet. This one has the, the double quotes around it. Bring it over here. And notice that this one now has 4 results rather than 30. Because by putting the quotes in, I'm getting more specific. So now I'm saying, show me all of the pages on the site, bradselectronics.com, that include the word rural internet, okay? And you see here, this content here, better rural internet's here, rural internet options is here as part of the content. So Google's actually showing me where I can find this.